Traceability is key to your digital workflow. Customers need proof that you're adhering to industry standards, and you need a reliable version control tool. When a new part is added to an order, the Authentise platform immediately starts archiving a record for any action taken, status, or parameter changes. By clicking on a part in a line item, we see a quick overview of where the part currently is in its production lifecycle, and other information such as the prep and production workflow used for the part, or which material batch was used to build the piece. Also, you'll find a list of any changes that the part has been subjected to. Each recorded state change is time-coded and linked to the appropriate resource. You will also be able to see the person who made the change when the item is expanded. The list can also be filtered to show only certain categories of actions. The filtered list can then be exported as a customized traceability report document. These reports, which can be auto-generated and shared, can guarantee maximum transparency with your customers. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.